Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make desktop folders for your programs or documents that you may have on your desktop. Before I begin, give this video a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Especially if you're new to the channel. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I go over everything technology related. I have guides, I have tips and tricks, all that good stuff. So definitely subscribe for more great content. So desktop folders. Why would anyone want desktop folders? Well, if you're like me sometimes, now I'm not that bad today, but sometimes I'll just throw applications everywhere on my desktop, or I'll have documents everywhere. And it kind of fills up my desktop. I don't know where things are. I need to kind of locate things. It's very rough sometimes because my desktop is a mess. Today is not terrible, but sometimes it's worse. So to create desktop folders, I've created 3 here already, but I'm going to show you how to do it. So right click on anywhere on your desktop, and this menu is going to pop up. Put your mouse on new. Don't click anything yet. Just put your mouse on new and click on folder right here. Click on folder. So let's do that again. Right click, move your mouse down to new, click on folder. One more time. Right click on your desktop, go down to new, and click on folder. So now it should look like this. So I already had 3 here, but I have 6 right now, and you may have more, you may have less, depends how many you created. So now that we have these folders, we want to start naming them, and we want to start putting things in the folders. So to rename a folder, you're just going to right click on any of these folders that you created. Right click on one. This menu is going to pop up. Put your mouse on rename right here, all at the bottom, right above properties. Click on rename. So now it highlighted the text of the folder by default. So what you want to do is just either hit backspace on your keyboard or hit delete. It gets rid of that new folder default name. And now you can make it any name you want. So I can just do documents, or I can type applications. So there's my applications folder. Now this one, same thing. Right click it, go all the way down to rename. I can do documents. And then once you type in that name in that you want to, whatever folder you want to name, just click off of it anywhere on your desktop. If I didn't mention that for this folder, I apologize. But once you type that name in that you want, just click off the folder anywhere on your desktop. Boom, documents. I'll do one more with you, and I'll just kind of leave these over here to the side. So right click to rename, go all the way down to rename, hit backspace or delete, and type whatever you want to call it. I'll just call browsers. Okay, so now we have our 3 folders that we made and we renamed. So now to put things in these folders is pretty simple. You just want to click on a program and make sure it's highlighted. See how it has that blue box over it? Click on any program and just drag it. Hold your mouse in and drag it to the folder that you want it to go into. So this is Google Chrome. I have a browsers folder, so I'm just going to drag it into the browsers. And I'm getting a administrator permission thing. I'm on a work computer, so you probably won't get this if you're on a personal one. And you may not even get it if you're on a work computer. Just my work computer is funky sometimes. So just ignore this message. But yes, just hold your mouse in whatever program and drag it. Drag it to the folder you want. And what it will say is, moving program, it should take less than 3 seconds, depending how big it is. Just move it on over. So if you made a folder with called documents and you had documents all over your desktop, just hold the documents in with your mouse and drag them over to the folder that you want them in. So yeah, hopefully this video helped on how to make folders, make desktop folders, move your programs or documents, and just kind of keep everything organized on your desktop. So give it a like, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I meant to tell you guys, if you want to know how to do certain things, if something's on your mind, definitely leave a comment down below on this video, on any video, and just, ask me to cover certain things, and I'll do my best to do it. So floor is open, and I'll still upload my videos, but if you guys got any suggestions, please, the floor is open. Just drop a comment down on any video, and I will do my best to assist. So like, comment, subscribe, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.